when they hit the spot. 3, 2, 1.
Come on. He's like stiff as a board. Come here. Come here, honey. Come here. Come here. Come here. You want mom? Try and keep him at it. He's trying to record it. Oh my god.
So good and tasty.
Nothing makes a slipper more desirable than another puppy wanting it first.
Mira, mira cómo ataca, mira. Toma. Toma.
Finito.
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 Having a case of the nighttime zoomies. Boots! No! Boots!
Oh my god.
You ready to go outside, Roo? Let's go outside.
Dog treated the human like a charging station, be like.
Blue.
Oh! Chatty, did you feed the dog?
Yeah, I did already.
Kiss. One more kiss. Hey. Give me. I love you. Mama. Okay. I have to tell her how cute they are. Your dogs are so cute. Wait. Ah! What the fuck? Oh my god, there's more of them! Ah! Oh my gosh, I have to send this to my friend. Holy shit.
Airdrop that video. My name is Karina. I'll turn my airdrop on.
Yes, 100%. Oh my god, they're so cute.
No. You can get loose. No kisses. No kisses.
But Daddy, no, you kiss him.
No. Just lay down.
Just lay down.
Hey. Ni apa ni gambar-gambar ni? Ada lesen ke tak?
What, just because I hit pause on the TV?
Daisy. 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 Peanut butter?
Bo, I have a question. Do you want to go on a walk?
I be sharing my love of doing voices in unusual places. And all of the voices you are gonna hear during my performance will be coming from me.
Why you do that? Why?
Se filmar, ninguém acredita. Olha isso. A Kiara puxando.
You're not allowed on the couch. I'm sorry.
You're chilling like a villain, just staring out the door.
Blue.
Go. Did you ready to go outside, Rue? Let's go outside.
Get your dog.
Karma, please.
Let it go.
Karma. Can I have the ball? No, okay. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh.